and Miss World 2013, Miss Megan Young Diaz.
Maayong gabi, Maradona!
Maayong gabi!
Kamusta kayo? Let me hear some noise!
Wow!
Wow, I'm so excited.
Ang ganda ng energy ngayon.
So, kailangan ma-level up natin yung energy natin matumbas na.
Exactly that.
Well, I'm so excited to be here for tonight. And of course, a shining evening, Municipality of Bayon. My name is Megan Young!
You know what, Meg? Crowns and titles are more than prestige and luxury. Aiming to win a crown also means aiming to be tested with odds and favors. And my name is Billy Crawford.
Yes, and we are your hosts for Miss Bayon 2024!
Napasayaw ako.
What was that?
I was dancing bright lights. I'm so sorry.
Kailangan patulungan rin sa akin yung dance.
Automatic yun. Pag tumutog, gagano na ako kaagad.
Ayan.
Ayan o. I'm sorry, Sigo.
Teka lang.
Okay, what